This is just me checking out my new-to-me filterflo washing machine. Filling it up with water to make sure there's no leaks, running a small load. Wanted to make sure the clock worked on it too. I wasn't sure if the timer was functional or not, so I wanted to run it through some agitation and fill, and filled it with warm water so to make sure both valves work, and then let it agitate for a little while. Then there's a pause in the video and I start up the spin cycle on it. Here we are for the second part of this video. I didn't talk about this machine in the beginning. This is one I picked up last weekend, and I'm going to work on restoring. It is a 1985 filterflo Spotscrubber. I don't have the mini basket, so if anybody has the mini basket and the filterflo filter, I would love to buy it from me. I do have the bleach dispenser, and we're just waiting for it to start to spin. The spin does not work very well on this machine. It agitates wonderfully, as you saw earlier, but the spin does not function very well at all. You know, that's, from what I can tell, that's the clutch, and I've got a clutch ordered for it. We're gonna put a clutch in it. Transmission works great. The electronics seem to work great, or I should say mechanicals work great. You know, but down here you got the clutch down there, and you can see there's a lot of clutch dust. It's a little bit dark. I don't have a light. The light's not great down here. You can see there's a lot of clutch dust on that drum. So the clutch is worn out. So we'll put a clutch in it, and she'll probably run great. I'm gonna go ahead and advance to spin on the timer just to get it to go, so you can see what it does on spin. we'll watch it. It'll pump out fine. It drains great, but it just won't spin very well. It'll never sling water because it's not. It just doesn't have that clutch is just slipping. You can hear it down there. That's the sound of that clutch. You can see that drum is just barely spinning. That's the drum at the bottom. The thing is spinning at the top is the pump. That's working. You can see the belt just barely going around, and that clutch drum is just barely spinning. It's just slipping. So it does drain just fine. As you can see, it's draining out. Water's going out just fine into the drain. So the pump is working like it's supposed to. But the machine will just never really, I don't think it ever gets up to speed. It tries. Clutch gets a little quieter as it tries to get up to speed, but it'll never make it. I put a little soap in there, probably a little too much, but you can see if I had a load of clothes in there, it would not spin it. But so we'll put a clutch in it. And I got some cosmetics to do. The cabinet's kind of a little bit messy. But otherwise, I think it's going to be a great machine. It doesn't look too bad other than that. Motor's good. The transmission's good. It agitates amazing. Or activates, I guess they call it. So that part's all good. So yeah, it'll be a fun machine to have running. And we'll go from there. So that's just, like I say, it's a quick first video, and this is a 1985 machine. Let's shut it off. I don't need to let it run. The brakes work, so you can hear the clutch inside the transmission is grabbing. And here's our model number down here for those that are interested in it. And it's like I say, I think it'll be a good machine to restore and keep around for a little while. Thanks. Actually, I'll probably keep it for a long while because I really love these machines. These filter flows, even though there were quality issues apparently with the clutches, the way they built the 2 speeds and everything. But yeah, I'd really love to find a mini basket for it if anybody has one. Even a regular non-Spotscrubber mini basket I would love to have, because I can always plug the holes in the bottom of it and use the Spotscrubber function. And I'd be able to show you guys how that works. And the large size filter that goes on top. There were 2. There's a small and a large. I have a small one on the way that I ordered. So, but I'd love to have the large one. So that's it for this short little video, and thanks for watching.